Welcome to my channel. This is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at beginner chord exercise. We are going to do an exercise on C major chord and then G7 chord. I'm going to show you how you can place your fingers on C major chord and then G7. Then we do the progressions according to beat. This lesson is going to be divided into three. We are going to do three main exercises in this lesson. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and check the notification so that you will be updated anytime I upload a video. Leave a comment at the comment section and then give a thumbs up and then share the videos. Let's begin today's lesson. Okay, so let's look at how you can place your fingers on C major chord. When we were doing C major scale, we said the scale involves C, D, E, F, G, E, B. Then we said that in order to get a chord is the combination of 2 or 3 or more notes to get a chord. So today we are going to look at a C major chord. It's like this. Your third finger is put on the third fret of the A string like this. Then your second finger is placed on the second fret of the D string. I hope it is clear on the screen. Then your first finger is placed at the first fret on the B string like this. Then you play and let me see. Good. This is C major chord. Let me do it again. Place your third finger on the third fret on the A string like this. Your second finger on the second fret of the D string. Your first finger on the first fret on the B string, and you play like this. You get it? Good. Now the second chord we are going to look at is G7. G7. Put your third finger on the third fret of the big E string. Your second finger on the second fret of the A string. Then your first finger on the first fret of the little E string. Okay, and then you play. Let me see. Play. Good. This is G7. How do you call it? G7. Okay, so let's begin with 75 beats per minute metronome. Let's begin. So we are starting at C major. So let's see, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we are moving up to G7. We are moving to G7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first exercise. Let us repeat it. Let's repeat the first exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are beginning at C. Okay, place your fingers C major. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then come back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now our second exercise is going to be like this. At every 2 beats we play the chord. So we will play the C 2 times, then we progress to G7 2 times, then we come back to C, so that we complete. That's our second exercise. So let's do it with the metronome. I see 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then G7, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Come back to C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. G7. Okay, our third exercise is going to be like this. We are going to play them 1 beat each. 1 beat each is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So let's try and add the metronome, the beat. Let's add the beat. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. G7. C. G7. Very good. This is a simple exercise for beginner Highlife guitarists. Try and do this kind of exercises. You want a jump track, so let me give you a space. Let me give you a space, the timing, so that you play 4 beats each, and then you play the 2 beats each, and then 1 beat each. Let me give you 2 minutes each. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so I'm giving you this space. Practice with this jump track. Okay. So I hope the space is 1 minute is enough for you. Take your time, practice. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe. Now, comment, leave a comment. Now, share video, no, share the video and then give a thumbs up. Do the practice. As I've been always saying, practice is the only key to your perfection. All right, if you don't practice, you will not become perfect as you want it. So I end here with today's lesson. Hit on the subscribe button. I'll come your way with another beautiful lesson next time. Thank you.